subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. Today I am going to share you about how you can block the device use until the required applications are installed. If right, so you may be using the Windows Autopilot, which is actually very nice tool, right? uh, and you see, right, that there is some organizations are looking for that they want to push some of the required security or antivirus applications uh, to the Windows devices during the autopilot. I mean, they want to actually block the device for the use until those required applications like antivirus or any kind of security applications you want to push, so that get it installed on the devices before user can use the Windows devices if they enrolling through Windows Autopilot, right? So where you can go, so this is my Microsoft Endpoint Portal. Let me go to, this is Microsoft Endpoint Portal, and if you go to the Windows devices, since we are talking about Windows devices, and if you go to the Windows enrollment, there is a enrollment stored status page, right? So what is show apps and profile installation status during the device setup? Here I have already created this ESP enrollment status page appears during the initial device setup during the first user sign in, right? If you enable this ESP page, user can see the configuration progress of assigned applications profiles to the targeted Windows devices, right? So since I have already created, I'm just editing this profile, but you can create. So you see here the first show apps and profile configurations. You want to see no. If you select no, then you won't see. If you select yes, there is all other options will be enabled, right? And then if you scroll down, you see here block device use until required apps are installed if they are assigned to the users and devices, of course, right? So you want to select all required application? No, of course not. Just select selected applications. You want to select the applications, which application you want to get it installed before user can use that. So you have to select this application. So you have to publish this application prior to selecting this application, and the application will show here. And once you enroll your devices using autopilot, then this you will see the ESP page, and this application will get installed, this required application will get installed, and you can once the application will get installed, then your user will able to use that devices. So this is actually very nice, and most of the organization is actually looking for this one, and which Microsoft has provided through the ESP page. So you can try and use this ESP and block the installation of, block the access of until they install the required application on the devices, right? Because nobody wants to give access to the company resources without the proper hardening or the proper antivirus or firewall has to be installed, right? Try this method. I hope you learn few things, or maybe most of you know, but if you don't know, just try this and see how it behaves. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.